Today, we are diving into the world of photography with some exciting developments in Fujifilm's X-Pro series. If you're passionate about capturing moments with a perfect blend of artistry and advanced technology, then the rumored Fuji X-Pro 6 might just be the game-changer you've been waiting for. With speculation swirling around its release, this upcoming mirrorless camera is expected to redefine the standards of modern photography. Will it surpass its predecessors? Will it fix the issues photographers faced with the X-Pro 4? And most importantly, will it elevate the entire mirrorless camera market to new heights? Let's explore every possible detail about the Fuji X-Pro 6, from its rumored specifications to its potential impact on the industry. The legacy of the Fuji X-Pro series. Fujifilm's X-Pro lineup has been a benchmark for mirrorless cameras, combining vintage design with cutting-edge technology. From photojournalists to street photographers, this series has built a dedicated fanbase that values aesthetics, manual control, and a unique shooting experience. 1. A classic meets modern innovation. Unlike many digital cameras that prioritize pure functionality, the X-Pro series retains a rangefinder-style body, allowing photographers to embrace a tactile and immersive experience. This nostalgic yet sophisticated design makes it a favorite for those who enjoy the traditional approach to photography while utilizing state-of-the-art digital enhancements. 2. The power of the hybrid viewfinder. One of the standout features of the X-Pro series is its hybrid viewfinder. This technology enables photographers to switch between optical and electronic viewing modes seamlessly. The optical viewfinder provides a real-world perspective, whereas the electronic mode offers digital overlays, aiding focus assistance and exposure adjustments. 3. Intuitive manual controls and timeless design. Fujifilm cameras, particularly the X-Pro models, are known for their customizable dials, which enhance the shooting experience. From shutter speed to ISO control, these manual dials give photographers full command over their settings, allowing for a more organic and creative process. The vintage-inspired design is a nod to classic film cameras, making the X-Pro series stand out among competitors. The Fuji X-Pro 4, strengths and shortcomings. While the Fuji X-Pro 4 received widespread praise, it was not without flaws. Many photographers admired its superb color science, robust build, and overall performance, but certain areas required improvement. 1. Autofocus limitations. One of the most significant drawbacks of the X-Pro 4 was its autofocus system. Despite Fujifilm's improvements over the years, it still lagged behind competitors like Sony and Canon. The tracking capabilities were inconsistent, particularly in low-light conditions or fast-action scenarios, making it less ideal for sports and wildlife photography. 2. Battery life constraints. The combination of high-resolution digital processing, Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connectivity, and hybrid viewfinder functionality drained battery life quicker than expected. Many users had to carry extra batteries to sustain long shooting sessions, which could be inconvenient for professional work. 3. Video features lagging behind. While Fujifilm has made strides in video recording, the X-Pro 4 remained primarily a stills-focused camera. The limited frame rates, codecs, and lack of advanced in-body stabilization, IBIS, made it a tough sell for hybrid shooters who need seamless video performance alongside photography. 4. Electronic shutter distortion. The rolling shutter effect in electronic shutter mode created distortions when capturing fast-moving subjects. This issue became particularly noticeable in panning shots or scenarios with quick motion, making it challenging for action photographers. Why the Fuji X-Pro 6 is highly anticipated. With all these concerns in mind, the excitement surrounding the Fuji X-Pro 6 is at an all-time high. This upcoming model has the potential to resolve past issues while bringing new, cutting-edge innovations to the table. 1. Improved autofocus and AI-powered tracking. Fujifilm has been working on refining its autofocus technology, and the X-Pro 6 could finally introduce AI-driven subject detection, real-time tracking, and enhanced face/eye autofocus. These improvements will help it compete with industry giants like Canon's dual-pixel AF and Sony's real-time IAF. 2. Extended battery performance. Battery life has always been a pain point for mirrorless cameras, and Fujifilm is expected to address this by optimizing power consumption through an efficient X-Processor 6 chipset. A larger battery could also be introduced, ensuring longer shooting sessions without frequent recharges. 3. Enhanced video capabilities. The demand for hybrid cameras is growing, and the X-Pro 6 needs to step up its video game. Rumors suggest that it might support 4K at 60 frames per second, 8K recording, enhanced internal codecs, improved color grading tools, stronger in-body stabilization. These upgrades could make it a serious competitor for videographers who need top-tier cinematic quality. 4. A revolutionary new sensor. One of the most anticipated changes is the inclusion of a new sensor. If Fujifilm incorporates the X-Trans CMOS sensor, users can expect higher resolution, better low-light performance, and expanded dynamic range. This would bring an unprecedented level of detail and color accuracy to the X-Pro series. 5. Ergonomic and weather-sealed build. The new model is expected to introduce a more ergonomic grip, making long shots more comfortable. Enhanced weather sealing could also make it a go-to choice for travel and outdoor photographers, ensuring durability in harsh conditions. Expected release date and price of the X-Pro 6. Fujifilm has yet to make an official announcement regarding the release of the X-Pro 6, but industry insiders speculate that it could launch in early to mid-2026. As for pricing, the expected cost is estimated to fall between $2,000 and $2,500, making it a premium choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts. Why the Fuji X-Pro 6 matters. Beyond the specs and features, the X-Pro 6 represents something greater. It embodies the spirit of photography. Fujifilm has always prioritized the experience of capturing images, and this camera could be the perfect blend of classic aesthetics and modern advancements. If Fujifilm delivers on these rumored features, the X-Pro 6 could set new standards in the mirrorless camera industry. It has the potential to attract new users while keeping longtime Fujifilm fans engaged with its unique design and workflow. Final thoughts. The anticipation for the Fuji X-Pro 6 is real, and for good reason. With potential autofocus upgrades, enhanced battery life, superior video capabilities, and a next-generation sensor, this could be the most significant update to the X-Pro series yet. What do you think? Are you excited about the Fuji X-Pro 6? What features matter most to you? Let's discuss this in the comments. Thanks for tuning into technology in the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on camera gear, photography trends, and groundbreaking tech innovations.